choice today with 2017 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power sunroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, heated front driver and passenger seats, electronic stability control, leather seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.